This is a CDC textured black light bar for the 2015 and newer Mustang. The CDC Light Bar is currently the only aftermarket light bar that's available on the site. So if you're looking to upgrade your top-down looks and incorporate a brake light into the light bar, you're gonna be checking out the CDC Bar. The bar costs just under $450, so for under $450, you get some styling along with an extra high mount brake light. The install for this does take some time, a few hours or so, and I'm gonna call it a 2 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. So the factory top will still fit easily over this light bar, and adding this won't interfere with any factory functions. It attaches to the B pillar, so it has a sturdy mount. That being said though, this is not meant for rollover protection, just so you guys know. This is more for style and looks than anything else. This is made from 1 1/4 inch round steel tube with an 1/8 inch wall thickness. Then CDC takes polyurethane and molds it around the tube and hand wraps it in black vinyl. The vinyl has a grainy texture to it, so it will match the car's interior trim. And lastly, it's finished off with this high-mounted LED brake light in the top, which will be visible to those that are behind you. The other nice thing about this light bar is that it's a direct bolt-on replacement. That means that it simply bolts right up into the stock location. You don't have to cut or weld or modify anything to get this light bar into place. The install can be completed in a couple hours in your driveway if you wanted to, with just basic hand tools. And this will fit the 2015 and newer S550 Mustang, so the GT, the V6, and the EcoBoost models. Speaking of the install, you'll need some basic hand tools and a few hours of your time. You can expect a 2 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. You'll start the install by removing the rear seat bottom. Then remove the seat belt guides and dislodge the upper trim panels. But don't remove them just yet. Pull up on the panel to release the plastic retainers, disconnect the electrical connector that's behind the seatbelt guide, and then remove the upper quarter trim panel. Cut out the provided trim panel templates. Place the upper quarter trim panels upside down and place the templates in the areas that the instructions show you. Use a center hole punch to mark the pilot hole locations. Then you can drill the panels. Flip the panels over and drill 2-inch holes with a hole saw and set the panels aside for later. Next, you'll remove the speaker assembly attachment hardware and the electrical component from the B pillar. You can just let the speaker gently hang in place. You'll remove the rubber grommet and set aside for later. Remove the 10mm window fastener and the convertible top fastener. Next, install the passenger side bracket and reinstall the window molding bolt and the convertible top bolt. Bolt the bracket down and tighten and torque it. Install the rubber grommet into the bracket, reinstall the quarter trim panel and the electrical connector. Snap the seatbelt guide back into place and reinstall the seat bottom. After that, you can install the CDC Light Bar. You'll need to get the seat screw through the seatbelt slot and tighten it. Make sure there's a light downward pressure on the light bar to get a nice fitment. A second set of hands can help you here. Then you just repeat this on the other side and you'll be all done. That's going to wrap things up for the CDC Convertible Light Bar in textured black. But you can always check it out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.